we have for question 12 is what is the difference between a mixture and a compound? We came to rub it in. So, difference between a mixture and compound. Okay, so what is the difference? So as I say here, because I will read this, compounds are substances that are formed through the formation of chemical bonds. Okay, mixtures, on the other hand, aren't dealing with bonds. Okay, so to, I guess, write in a way that's a little bit more easier understood, compounds are bound together by bonds, intramolecular forces. Mixtures, on the other hand, are bound together by interactions. Okay, intermolecular forces. Okay, so unfortunately, because we can't see air, that wouldn't be a good example of a mixture that's kind of held together. But let's look at us as humans. Okay, I can see where my hand starts and ends. Okay, hopefully that is because I'm a complex system of mixtures held together by interactions, intermolecular forces. Water, okay, compound, is just H2O throughout, because that is the only, well, I guess to further explain water H2O, you have a compound there because it's specifically referring to the water molecule. Okay, each water molecule is formed like that. This is all that's there when you talk about the compound water, H2O. Now, even if you have multiple H2O, like when you have a glass of water, that's still just known as a compound because you're not throwing in any other type of element or molecule in there that would be just interacting with it instead of bounded to it. If I had, for example, a whole bottle of H2O2, hydrogen peroxide, that's just going to be a whole, bottle of that compound. But if I said I'm going to mix that with NaCl, okay, now we have a solution, or a mixture. Okay, it's going to be a salty H2O2 because now we have different types of molecules that are interacting with each other. This is considered a mixture. It's no longer now they're bonded to each other, they're interacting with each other in that solution. Kind of like referring back to humans, we have a lot of fats, carbohydrates, and proteins and amino acids that make us. Okay, and all those things are interacting with each other. And even when I list them down, there's different types of fats, different types of proteins, etc., to form the complex structure that is us. And a lot of these things are interacting with each other in our body. We are a mixture. Hence, they even said, like the previous question before, a dog is a mixture. Because the key thing is that a dog, or even us, we're not made completely of the same compounds. There's different compounds in us. And then now flip it over to compounds like water, oxygen, gas. Those things are only composed of those compounds in there. Like oxygen gas only has O2 in it. There's no like nitrogen or something floating in there as well. So that is the difference between compounds and mixture. All right. And typically, that's just it. I'll leave it there. We can delve more on how to